Hello, my name is Sheila Halliday, and I'm going to be going through enhancement 4. So we're going to first start by pulling up the code. This is our index controller, and it's put in the vehicles folder, and we have the management page, classifications, we add in vehicles, we add in and the model that helps move all the information. Okay, we're going to open up right here. Opens up to our page. Let's just go ahead and verify HTML and CSS while we're here. Looks like there's no errors on this one. That was HTML. CSS, there's no errors. Okay, so we're going to add a classification, and we're going to add fancy cars. Okay, submit. It should not have done that. Oh, for some reason my thing's not coming up, but you can see that fancy went in. It did not go through its loop. Right. Oh, nope, we are good. I didn't have for some reason I thought a message was going to pop up, but it didn't. I didn't put one in there, but we see that it is up here now. So we know that it was added in. So now we're going to add a vehicle. Fancy's showing up now. And now we have a fancy Honda Accord. And it's super cool for $4,000. We got one of them. And it is red. Submit. The vehicle Honda Accord has been added. So we are gonna check our fancy showed up, so we know it went up to here. And inventory, it should be at the bottom. There it is, the Honda that we put in. So back to the template page. We're validating our CSS. There is no errors. Let's validate. CSS, no errors. And I think we need to, I need to get back to the other page. Whoops, hold on. We're going to reopen. Here we go. I didn't validate these ones. That one is good with HTML and CSS. So there we have it. We're going to zip all these files up, and we can see that they all work together to add, and it goes up and into our database. So hopefully that was everything that I had to show. So thank you very much.